Hello my friends, in today's episode I will be showing you how to load and unload a Minolta x-300s film camera. So how you want to start is, like in many other Minolta cameras, you take out this lever, pull it up and up again, and you open the doors. And when you open the doors, you put in the film cartridge upside down, just like this. And you can at this moment lock the cartridge in place so it won't fall out at any time. And with this lever set here, just like this, you pull the film out a bit and into this holder, just like that, because this will turn clockwise, so it will press and bend the film inside, something like that, and that would prevent loading it like this, will prevent the film from slipping out from the holder, and it will help it load on. So now we close doors, and of course we need to turn the camera on to advance the film, and we take a few shots, and as you see, this knob turns, indicating that the film is coming out of the cartridge. So when you're done shooting film now, and you want to unload the camera, you got to the end of your roll, what you do is you take out this lever over here, just like in many other Minolta cameras, and of course you press in this button right over here. You press it in, it releases the film, and you can start turning clockwise to get the film back into the cartridge. And of course we're listening for the little snap indicating that the film got released from the holder. There we go, we got resistance, and we hold it getting released from here. So now we know the film is waiting to come out, just like that. Now I don't ever roll my film completely into the cartridge. I leave some sticking out. I roll it in by hand to get it a little bit more inside there, because I develop film myself and I never destroy the cartridges. Watch a video about refilling these cartridges so you will know. Better to always leave part out so you can load it in the development tank much easier. And that's how you take out the film. Remember always to turn your camera off. So that's how you load and unload film into the Minolta x-300s film camera. If you want to see more related videos about film photography, film camera repairs, darkroom stuff, and film development and everything related, please remember to subscribe so you don't miss any of our amazing content, and remember to hit the like button because that helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much my friends, and take care.